In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of managing orders in Squarespace. Whether you're a new business owner or just looking to streamline your e-commerce operations, understanding how to effectively manage your orders will be an invaluable skill. We're going to look at how you can resend email notifications for orders on Squarespace, and by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to handle your store's orders with confidence. Let's get started by first heading over to the Squarespace website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account to follow along seamlessly. Once you're on the main dashboard of your Squarespace site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already familiar. It's always helpful to know where everything is located. Now direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here, you're going to locate and click on Products and Services. This section is essentially the heart of your store, where you manage not only what's for sale, but also all the nitty-gritty details that come with running an online business. Under Products and Services, you'll find various options, but our focus today is on Orders. Once you click on Orders, you'll see a list of all the transactions that have taken place in your store. If you don't have any existing orders just yet, don't worry. It's a great chance to familiarize yourself with the system before your shop starts bustling with activity. However, if you do have existing orders, you can click on any specific order to manage it further. After selecting a particular order, you'll notice a set of options that allow you to take specific actions. Look for the 3 dots or ellipsis, which usually represent additional options or more detailed settings. Click on this and you'll see various actions you can take for that order. Our specific task today is to resend email notifications for an order. This might be necessary if a customer didn't receive their initial email, or perhaps if you need to provide them with a reminder or updated details. Select the option to resend email notifications from the menu. By doing this, Squarespace will automatically send out the relevant order details to the customer via email, ensuring they're kept in the loop and can easily access their purchase information. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the order management portion of your Squarespace store and learned how to resend emails to your customers. This simple yet crucial task can greatly enhance customer satisfaction by ensuring efficient communication. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps make your e-commerce management a little bit easier. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more such useful tips and tricks on running a successful online business.